You cannot call Ranbir Kapoor's Animal a critically acclaimed film, but it's an audience favorite for sure. So much so that the crime drama is far from done at the box office. As the Sandeep Reddy Vanga directorial inches closer to hitting the Rs 900 crore mark globally, the makers hosted a grand success bash in Mumbai on January 6. The stars of the film were of course there, but we were much in awe of these cute moments. Ranbir and wifey Alia Bhatt exchanging private conversations and giggling as they posed. RK's father-in-law Mahesh Bhatt nudging his daughter Alia to pose with her husband. Ranbir greeting his leading lady Rashmika Mandanna with a peck on the cheek. And the whole Animal team doing Bobby Deol's character Abrar's signature shushing pose. We love a crew that sticks together, don't you? Much like our desi girl Priyanka Chopra Jonas, who recently dropped the most precious Instagram dump replete with love at Casa Jonas. As we step into a new year, Pri talked about the importance of sticking together and focusing on peace, respite, family, love, joy, and community above all. The cute sneak peeks gave an insight into her family life with Nick and baby Malti. With at the center of it all, spreading cheer and happiness. But wait, look at this smoke show of a picture of Priest in a bikini. Looking at this, would you say she's a mother of one and is 40? Hell no! Our ladies are definitely mothering right. Look at Aishwarya Rai Bachchan setting some major family goals. Cheering for her husband Abhishek Bachchan's Kabaddi team, Jaipur Pink Panthers at a recent match with father-in-law Amitabh Bachchan and daughter Aaradhya. So much enthusiasm and love. This amid her separation rumors from her husband. We say, what separation? They look happier than ever. What do you have to say? Do share your thoughts in the comments and make sure to subscribe to SHOWSHA for more from Tinseltown.